Hello students, welcome in our new chapter number 10, straight lines. Today students, we going ahead our new chapter in straight lines. First of all, in basic concept related making a line with utilization to at least points on the line. Yes, in last year you already studied in 10th standard distance formula. Then after division of line segment and area of triangle, that point again revise here. So I first write down your first point, distance formula. The distance rule between 2 points, you know that already. Under root x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square, where this is your line. Have 2 points at least on that, A and B. A consider x1 y1, B consider x2 y2, and that is line L. So this is your distance, x1 minus x2 square, y1 minus y2 square, have some properties. Necessary by heart, these are 4 only property. First, every distance is always non-negative. It means they may be 0, either positive, but they never negative. Second, distance AB mapping or distance BA mapping is same, A to B, either to A. Third, if AB distance is 0, then necessary your A and B point is exactly same place. A and B, they have no distance. If you distance 0, then definitely A is equal to B. And fourth one, this is the main point. If here one point is related between that A dash, P dash, B, then necessary A to P plus P to B is equal to A to B, where P lies between A and B in the sum ratios. Yes, then after we going ahead, next points. Division rule means a line segment have 2 endpoints you know, but between that P divide in the ratio M ratio N, where A consider x1 y1, B consider x2 y2, and P is in general point A x comma y. So here that formula also students you know. Yes, division formula P x comma y, which is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, same my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. This formula attach. Now in division also we going to midpoints. Midpoint means students, ratio is a just cover in 1 ratio 1. If you mn put it 1 ratio 1, then A here x1 y1, B x2 y2, and the value of P derive m and n putting 1. So here students P xy, your middle points 1 x2 plus 1 x1 by 1 plus 1. Same 1 y2 plus 1 y1 by 1 plus 1. In short, x2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2. That's your midpoint. If you go in further trisection rule, then also very easy. Here A to B segments, between you can taking 2 points P and Q. Between is up to A and B. So that ratio is a 1:2, and A to Q means 2 ratio 1. That is your students trisection rules. Now further continue also, you already studied 10th standard, but that is important here, that's why I revise. Area of triangle ABC. Your triangle is that given A, B, C. A have x1 y1, B is x2 y2, and C is x3 y3. only 3 coordinates available. So your area half in modulus x1, x2, x3. Very easy way you by heart that formula. x1 in bracket, x2 in bracket and x3 in bracket. Here write down y minus y, y minus y, 1 then 2 3, 2 then 3 1, 3 then 1 2. Just 1 2 3 rotations, students. Here area of triangle utilization also somewhere if you given quadrilaterals. Students, in quadrilateral you have how many triangles? 2. So 2 triangle apply in this rule, multiply by that, either both added ABC area and ADC area, you can get quadrilateral area. Sometime given pentagon, how many triangle there? 3. So 3 times you calculate the area of that value A, B, C, D, E in this way here. So ABE area defined, BCD area defined and DEB area defined. Sometime given students hexagon. So you can also utilization area of triangle only 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is 4 times, 4 different triangle you can made area utilization A, B, C, D, E and F. And you can get easily area of triangle at the related this value is ample. Now students, I start main points for this chapter. Now we continue students our new points. Slope of the lines. Slope of the line. Yes students, first of all we going ahead, a line at least 2 points on it. Point A, x1 y1, point B, x2 y2. And in general formula of the line also you by heart, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Yes, so my first formula is slope of line is indicate m1, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 if point given, if points a x1 y1 and b x2 y2 given, that you by heart specially for slope of formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Second formula, there are 4 formulas. Yes, slope of line is indicate m1. This line given then minus a by b if line given ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 given. Okay, if you general equations given then ax plus by plus c equal to 0, line slopes minus a by b. Third, if you given angle made with positive direction of x-axis, then student slope of line you can take tan theta, where theta is angle made with positive direction of x-axis. Yes, just like I make the drawing simple, x-axis, y-axis. If you line this given just like line L1, so students here there are 2 angles, one of the this, one of the that. This is the right side of x-axis, that is angle theta, that I telling about positive direction of x-axis. Sometime given your drawing in this way, just like this one, you again take this is your positive direction of x-axis, correct? Sometime this given, so you can take this one positive direction of x-axis, and that's your slope of the line. If you tan theta operate for theta, positive direction of x-axis, not a y-axis. Yes. Now also fourth case is a slope of line is a special dy by dx. That's utilization in next year. Yes. Either also utilization in physics. But here students, that is a 4 definition. Tan theta dy by dx. Here tan theta slope of the lines minus a by b and y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 related of 4 points. That is your slope of lines. Now I going to in general one more deeply points. If a line given vertical and horizontal, then what kind of slopes? So that also very easy. Yes. Next points, continue. Slope of horizontal line always 0. Horizontal line slope is always 0 because consider that is your drawing x-axis, y-axis. This is one of the horizontal line passing through here 1 points in y-axis. Just kind of here A points, here B points, and that's the line L. And passing through here I taking 0 comma y1, definitely a y1 here also y1, and here x1 points different, here x2 point different because this point is a x2 and this point is a x1. So students, your line is, if you horizontal lines, definitely parallel to x-axis. Apply this formula. Slope of the lines y1 and y1 are same in this case. So your slopes is y2 minus y1. But here I taking y1 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. It is 0 by x2 minus x1. It is 0. That's why I written students slope of the horizontal line is 0. Now students, same as slope of horizontal line over. Now I go into slope of vertical line. That also you by heart for easily calculations. Slope of vertical line always it is not defined. Yes, not exist, because just we going again to drawing x-axis, y-axis, and vertical line means parallel to x-axis, parallel to y-axis. Here points are just consider x1 comma 0. So point A is x1 sure, point B is also x1 x coordinate, and y coordinate is a y1 y2. This line is your what? Vertical line. Applying this formula, the same as, so slope of AB line very easy, y2 minus y1 by x1 minus x1. Students, here x1 both same, but here x2 minus x1. So that is your y2 minus y1 by 0, and it is not exist. And that's your cases for slope of the vertical line. Now students, here slope of the 4 formula done, and 2 simple slope of the horizontal line and slope of the vertical line. Horizontal 0, vertical not exist. Now I go to 2 little conditions related to parallel lines and to perpendicular lines. So condition between 2 parallel lines, that also very easy and very simple, but you by heart this all formula level. Yes. So slope, I mean if L1 line parallel to L2, then you by heart this case always slope of first line is equal to slope of second line. That's your line y-axis, that's your x-axis, and 2 lines are parallel, just kind of this L1, this L2, and L1 L2 if are parallel, then definitely you can take that slope is the same. That is your slope m1 and here slope m2. That types. Now one more condition, if 2 lines are given perpendicular, So continue. If L1 perpendicular to L2, then you also by heart slope M1 is a property is a slope M2 is equal to -1. In this case also drawing available, y-axis, x-axis, and that is your 90 degree between x and y. Here a line L1 and line L2. Both are making L2 theta 2, here theta 1, and that is your 90 degree between that. So that's your property, that is your slope M1, line M1, and that is your slope M2, line L2, and these are the both value attached in slope M1, slope M2 is equal to -1 if our lines are given what? Perpendicular to each other. And now I going to angle between two lines. This case is also attached to these points, and then after we start our little numericals. Here point is a new points, angle between two lines. Yes, this is a major point. Here also there are the 4 cases available. First, if both lines are parallel to each other, if both lines are parallel, then what is the angle between them? Nothing, 0. So if both lines are parallel to each other, then angle between 0. Now second, if both lines are perpendicular to each other, this symbol is a perpendicular each other, then angle between them always pi by 2. Then angle between is a pi by 2. Now third case and fourth case is main. If one line is vertical but other are neither vertical nor horizontal. If one line is vertical and other neither vertical nor horizontal, then angle between them, yes, then angle between them always you can by heart for 90 minus theta, either theta minus 90 in modulus, because this consider your drawing for y-axis, x-axis, here 90 degree. One line is a completely vertical, it means these are, that slope definitely not defined. Here L1 line, and this is the second line, theta 2 given, and that between angle is alpha. So does this degree you know, 180 minus theta, and adding all alpha plus 90 plus 180 minus theta, definitely it is 180 gone. So alpha is equal to theta minus 90. So it is a 90 minus theta in modulus. Yes, that I written here, pi by 2 minus theta. If you one line vertical given and second line are neither vertical nor horizontal. And third case after fourth case now. Fourth is a main case. If both lines neither vertical nor horizontal, means both have slopes exist, then they apply, both lines are neither vertical nor horizontal, then students you can utilize this formula tan alpha m1 minus m2 1 plus m1 m2. These are given in your textbook. This case 3 not given, but you by heart that because they parts for one of the MCQ, and here also drawing available. X-axis, Y-axis. Consider this is a line L1, that is your line L2. Between them angle is alpha, and here make theta 1 positive direction, theta 2 positive directions, and slope of line L1 is M1 and slope of line L2 is a M2, and that I attach tan alpha. M1 minus M2 upon 1 plus M1 M2 is a angle between two lines. So it is here now it is one topic, slope of the lines related complete. Now I start little numerical example 1. Yes, these all points are now I cover in this exercise and some illustrations related our numericals. Find the slope of the lines if passing through points available. So example 1. In example 1, students, there are the 4 numericals. First, find slope of line passing through 3, minus 2 and minus 1, 4. 3, minus 2 and minus 1, 4. It's very easy. A consider first 3, minus 2, which is x1, y1. B minus 1, 4, which is x2, y2. And apply slope formula. Students, already I told in previous 4 formula related slopes. Here points given, so I operate point wise. Yes, slope of line AB, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and attach their value. 4 minus 2 by minus 1 minus 3, so 6 by minus 4, which is 3 2s and 2 2s. First numerical easily, students, done. Now continue second. Similarly, second, B, find slopes. Line passing through given the 2 points, one of the 3, minus 2 and 7, minus 2. Same going. Formula is simple. A consider you 3, minus 2, x1, y1. It's very easy, students. B is a 7, minus 2, x2, y2, and going ahead, slope of line AB, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and attach simple way of formula. Y2 minus y1 means minus 2 with the minus 2, x2 minus x1, 7 minus 3. So minus 2 plus 2, 0. Just noted here. What denoted? Slope is 0. The line is what? Parallel to x-axis. Yes, here line AB is parallel to x-axis. Then the slope is 0. Now continue third. See. Again given passing through first and second points. First point given 3, minus 2, and secondly given 3, 4. 3, minus 2, 3, 4. Easy way. Similarly going, A is your 3, minus 2, which is x1, y1, and B is a 3, 4, which is x2, y2. And here also, students, same operating, slope of line AB. So you going ahead, slope of line AB, which is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So your value is a 4 minus of minus 2 by 3 minus 3, 6 by 0. But what is 6 by 0? Not defined. Yes, not exist. Then here also you one of the noted. If a slopes lines the given that not exist, so line is what? Parallel to y-axis. Either vertical line, here parallel to x-axis means AB is what? Horizontal line. And here vertical line. Yes, here AB is parallel to y-axis. Either you can say AB is vertical line. That is your next kind of equations. Now continue that also D angle made with x-axis, positive direction of x-axis is 60 degree. Yes, angle made with positive direction of x-axis is 60 degree. If your angle given, then slope of the line tan theta. Students, here you consider that's your line, y-axis and x-axis here are given 60 degree. So you just apply simple formula tan theta, tan 60 degree, and tan 60 I know root 3, and that's the slope is clear. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, 60 is a root 3. And here students, your first question is easily we done here. Now we continue students our example 2. Example 2 is IMP for exam level. If the angle between two lines, first of all question we write properly. If the angle between two lines is pi by 4 and slope of one of the line is half, then find slope of the other line. Yes, one line is given that slopes, second we derive an angle between pi by 4. Students, here consider this your general drawing, x-axis, y-axis. This is one line, that's the second line. Between them angle is a pi by 4, that I taking alpha. This L1 line have slope m1 given half. L2 line is a slope, we assume that m2. And tan theta formula applied, tan alpha, m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. So here students, suppose slope of L2 line is m2 and slope of first given, slope of L1 line, L1 is what? m1 given, how much? It is half. An angle between them pi by 4. So I utilizations my formula tan alpha. Yes. Now tan alpha m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Here apply tan pi by 4. m1 is a half, m2 same, half m2, and you can create easily solutions. Tan 45 is 1 minus 2 m2 and 2 plus m2. Here get one of the positive cases and one of the negative cases. Easily you can operate that. So plus y is going here 1 minus 2 m2 upon 2 plus m2. Otherwise, secondly, minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 2 m2, 2 plus m2. And you can create different two answers. So here 2 plus m2, 1 minus 2 m2, it get m2 plus 2 m2 is equal to 1 minus 2, m2 plus 2m2, 1 minus 2, it is 3m2, it become minus 1. So m2 is a minus 1/3. Similarly here, minus 2 minus m2, 1 minus 2m2, again rearrange, minus m2 plus 2m2, 1 plus 2, m2 become 3. Here students, here slope of the our second another line is minus 1/3, either 3. Now students, continue our example 3. Third also very easy and simple way formula given. So question is a line through passing given that the points minus 2,6 and 4,8 is perpendicular to the line. The next another 2 points given to the line through the points 8,12 and x, 24. Find value of x. So very easy. First of all, I just telling about that first 2 points, and A and B consider. Yes, here first line A consider A minus 6 2, B 4 8, and define slope of line AB, that called M1, and point given, then formula is what? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, where A and B any have you taking x1 y1. So 8 minus 6, 4 minus of minus 2, so 2 by 6, 1/3. Same given second points C and D. C I have 8,12 and D I have x, 24, that also x1 y1 and x2 y2. Simple apply 8, 12 and x 24, again slope of the next line, slope of the CD line, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Apply that. So 24 minus 12 by x minus 8, which have 12 by x minus 4, that is your slope M2, 12 by x minus 4. Now read, what is that between? Yes, it is both lines between that perpendicular. So already condition known you, M1 and M2 multiply is equal to minus 1. So that points I attach and easily derive value of x. So main important here properties you by heart. Yes. Now L1 is perpendicular to L2, so slope of M1 into slope of M2 is equal to minus 1. Now what is the M1 slope? 1 by 3, and M2 slope 12 by x minus 4 is equal to minus 1. 3 4s are. So here 4 minus 1 with x minus 4. So 4 is equal to minus x plus 4, and here students just I 3 4s are, here 12, and that is your students x minus 8. By mistakes I written, sorry, here x minus 8, x minus 8, here also x minus 8, x minus 8, that one. So minus x plus 8. Now you can create x is equal to 8 minus 4. Here your 4 answer, and that's easily your answer done. Students, if you question given here perpendicular place parallel, then I will take here M1 and M2 both slopes equal and calculate. Different answer coming. Yes students, here our done, and this part I stop here. Further explanation students I go to in next part. Bye bye.